This commercial monoblock hood is designed to meet the needs of small restaurants, company cafeterias, daycare centers, or institutional kitchens. Made for easy maintenance, it is endowed with a revolutionary centrifugal degreasing system combined with a built-in radial fan turbine. This patented technique unique to Cadexair offers the most complete and high-efficiency package. The integration of the fire protection system combines economy of space and aesthetic design. Equipped with 2 halogen lamps and a centrifugal grease extractor concept with a removable, easy-to-clean gutter, the CRS exhaust hoods are stainless steel built and ULC approved. Insulated rear and side panels can be added to comply with construction standards. For more information, visit our website cadexair.com.